Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find security. Now we have to scroll down to tap on more security settings, and as you can see right here, actually in the middle of this list we've got encryption and credentials, so let's tap. At the bottom of this list, almost at the very bottom, we've got the clear credentials option, so the option we're looking for basically. So let's tap on it and simply confirm it with OK. As you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.